Welcome back to Robert von Rotzroy channel. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe or to leave us suggestion about the subjects what you like to see here. High blood pressure is a problem with what, more and more people, must face. High blood pressure is an increase in blood pressure above the normal limit and can affect the health of heart, brain, kidneys and eyes. This increase in blood pressure is a silent killer because you can develop this disease for years without knowing. The same disease can evolve without symptoms, and then it can develop one or more potential severe or fatal complications such as heart attack or stroke. The lifestyle, meaning stress, inappropriate nutrition and sedentary lifestyle are some causes that lead to high blood pressure. High blood pressure is in a distinct relationship with another health issue, increased levels of bad cholesterol. Fortunately, some natural treatments can combat these two illnesses. One of the easy ways is to change our daily diet. Avoiding fats, alcohol, fried foods and reducing the amount of salt in the daily meals, will reduce one of the factors what leads to high blood pressure. With modest costs, we can add to our menu the cucumber and garlic salad, one of the healthiest combinations recommended for hypertensive people. Garlic is one of the most effective natural remedies, being used by people around the world to fight and to prevent cardiovascular disease. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, has a direct effect on blood pressure but also on bad cholesterol. Cucumber is one of the healthiest foods with high water, potassium, magnesium and fiber content. Potassium is the mineral that balances the amount of sodium in the body, and fibers play an important role in maintaining normal blood pressure. In addition, cucumbers have a good taste and a low caloric intake, being ideal in weight loss cures. Besides the fact that cucumbers and garlic decrease the increased blood pressure, we can prepare with them quickly and low-calorie salads or delicious dressings. We can prepare a delicious and healthy salad from half a cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of thyme or dill, salt and pepper to taste. Wash the cucumber and cut into cubes. Peel the garlic and cut fine or crush. In a bowl we add cucumbers cubes, garlic crushed, lemon juice, oil, thyme or dill, salt and pepper. Mix well and serve. Another salad is prepared from half a cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2-3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of oregano or dill, salt and pepper to taste. Wash the cucumber and grate it fine, and peel the garlic and crushed. In a bowl add the cucumber given by the chopper, crushed garlic, lemon juice, coconut milk, oregano or dill, salt and pepper. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Robert von Rotzroy channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.